Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I slayed this curly wig with bangs from Amazon. So if you're interested, just keep on watching.
Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, nasty.
Alrighty guys, so this is a human hair kinky curly wig with bangs. It has 150% density and it is 16 inches. It comes with a wig cap. It comes with some really nice lashes that look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It comes with an elastic band if you need a little extra support on your head, and it comes with extra combs. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the packaging. I'm just showing you how the unit is built. It comes with combs all around and elastic bands to fit it on your head. So it fit very nice and snug on my head, and this is what it looks like fresh out the packaging. So I went and detangled it and put some conditioner in it. Got it real nice and soft and juicy looking. This is how much hair came out when I used a Denim Brush. And this is how much hair came out when I finger detangled. So I recommend finger detangling so you can get less shedding. So this is what I'm working with. I had went to work today. This is my natural hair, and my hair is pretty short, so I just slapped a wig cap on. I didn't feel the need that I had to braid it down or anything like that. And honestly, I never tried, so I don't even know if my hair is long enough to braid down. But this is what the wig looks like when I first put it on my head. I'm just adjusting the combs in the back. I don't really like using the combs because it's kind of uncomfortable, so the wig just fits perfectly on my head. It's not loose at all, and I got a pretty big head, pretty big noggin. So we're gonna go in with this mister and spray the hair down some. The hair had dried down a little bit, so I'm just spraying it up before I add some product in there. I'm just using a detangler to detangle all the curls before I add some product. So I'm going in with my Curls to Go Untangle Me Leave-In Conditioner, and we're just gonna add that all over, and then we are going to detangle. And then I'm gonna go in with my Creme of Nature foam, curl quenching foam, and we're gonna add a few pumps of that and define them curls. All right, so I'll be back once we're done. So next I'm going in with a razor comb, and I'm using the fine tooth side just to get rid of some of those stragglies that were on my bangs after I finished combing out my hair and defining them curls. So I like to use this side just because it gives it a tapered look and not like this sharp blunt cut. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and my diffuser, and I'm going to go on a low setting on cool heat, and we're just going to scrunch them curls up, get them real nice and juicy and popping and dry. I only did this for about 5 to 10 minutes. I really did not do this for long. And then I also like using this method because it just does something to the curls. It gets it real popping. And then I'm going to go in with the wide tooth comb part, and I'm just going to get rid of some of those that were just hanging way too long real quick. And then I'm going to just play with it, see how I like it, you know, scrunch my fingers in there, play with it, shape it up around my face, see how I'm feeling it, you know. And then I noticed that there were some pieces that were just too long, so I ended up cutting those off with the wide tooth side of that razor comb. And then I had to check the other side, see how that was looking. And then I went in with my mister again and sprayed it the sides down, like the bottom of the sides down a little bit, because I noticed that one side of the hair is thicker than the other. But yeah, this is the end of this look. Just look at me. I look delicious. I was feeling this hair. I really love this hair, and I really hope you guys love this hair too and try it out. Everything will be in my description box, but I just want to give a huge thank you to this company that sent me this hair. You know me. You see, I'm even doing like a little mask check. Like, how would I look with a mask on? Okay, period. I look good. But you know me, if you guys watch all my hair videos, I'm very honest, and I will tell you guys the truth about this hair. Like, trust me, I feel like you should give it a try if you actually do like it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat juicy thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts, and if you have any questions on this hair, hit that notification bell so that you can get notification every time I post a new video, and smash that like button and follow your girl. Let me know what you thinking. I love you guys. Stay sexy, glow gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.
I'm a classy, bougie.